Welcome to Abhi's SeatSure, a smarter way to book bus tickets. Designed to make travel flexible and reliable, our platform lets users book with confidence and later rebook or resell tickets if plans change. Let's see how Abhi's SeatSure transforms the bus booking experience. We start with a simple and secure OTP-based login experience, ensuring quick access for users without any friction. On the home screen, users can easily select their source, destination, and travel date just like an AbhiBus and search for available buses in seconds. Here, we display multiple bus options with timings, seat availability, and fares, helping users compare and choose the best journey for their needs. Our interactive seat layout allows users to pick their preferred seats from both lower and upper berths with real-time availability. After selecting seats, passengers enter their details. At this stage, users can opt for our Flexi Ticket Add-On for just 50 rupees, unlocking powerful features like ReSell and ReBook. With a transparent fare breakdown and smooth payment flow, the booking is completed in just a few taps. All bookings are neatly organized here, where users can view their upcoming trips and manage ticket details. With ReBook, users can change their travel date or bus. If the new trip costs more, they pay only the fare difference. If it costs less, no refund will provide. The ticket is rebooked instantly. The old ticket is marked as rebooked, and a new active ticket is generated. Users can select ReSell to recover their ticket value. If another passenger books the same seat before departure, they receive a 100% refund. If not, they still get a 50% refund after departure. The ticket is then marked as reselled in bookings. The app also includes a modern bottom navigation and account section for a seamless, mobile-first user experience. With Abhi's SeatSure, platforms like AbhiBus can redefine the future of bus travel. By introducing flexible features such as ReSell and ReBook, this solution builds unmatched trust and convenience for passengers. It transforms AbhiBus into not just a booking platform, but the most reliable and user-centric travel companion, standing out clearly from all other bus booking apps in the market. With this approach, AbhiBus can significantly increase user confidence, leading to higher ticket conversions, more repeat bookings, and stronger customer loyalty. As trust grows, so will downloads, daily active users, and overall bookings, directly driving higher revenue and long-term business growth for the company. Abhi's SeatSure is not just a feature, it's a growth engine that helps AbhiBus become the most useful, trusted, and preferred bus booking app in India.